Hello viewer, today I'll show you how to download and install Eclipse. So Eclipse is a IDE which is integrated development environment. It is free. You can get it from www.eclipse.org. So there are many different IDE in the market like JetBrains, IntelliJ and many other too. So Eclipse is a very popular and widely used. That's why I'm showing you how to download an Eclipse and download and install Eclipse on Windows. So in order to do that, first you have to open any browser, like I'm opening Google Chrome, then type www.eclipse.org. So this is Eclipse home page. When you are in here, click download button. Once you click download button, there is two options over here. One is installer, another one is package. So I'll go from download package. Once you will click download package, you will navigate it in this page. This page will show you many different type of Eclipse IDE, like Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer, it is C and C++ developer, and many more. So we will go for Eclipse IDE for Java developer. It has three different versions on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So I will go for Windows version, click over here. Finally we will get the download link in over here. Click download button. Now it is downloading. It will take almost a minute to download the Eclipse because it is pretty much 328 megabyte. Again, it is depends on your internet speed. Based on your internet speed, it will take time, maybe 1 minute, less than a minute, or more than a minute. It depends, totally depends on internet speed. So let's wait little bit. It will download. Once download is complete, we will go for the download folder. It is downloading as a zip folder. We'll open the download folder and we will unzip it. Once it is unzipped, then I'll show you how to work with the Eclipse. So now download is completed. Let's go to the download folder. Here is download. You see Eclipse over here downloaded. So right click over here in the folder and then click extract all. It will unzip your Eclipse folder. Okay, extract. Extraction also needs little time, not that much, but in this process, those downloading, extracting, it do some video little longer. So please be patient, step by step process. So you will get it clear idea about this. Okay, it is completed. It is unzip file for Eclipse. Now click on here. You will see there is a Eclipse icon, eclipse.exe application file. Just double click on here. First time when you will open Eclipse, step by step, it will take little time. So be patient. Please be patient. So now when you will open Eclipse first time, then it will ask for the workspace. Workspace basically where you will save your Eclipse like project work. So in this time I'm going to the default workspace, Eclipse dash workspace. I'm going up with that. Click launch. Also you can create your own location based on project name. You can create a folder, then you can work with that. This is Eclipse. It is open. When you will open first time, it will give you the welcome message. There is a tutorial and how to do it, all other things. So we'll close it. This is the Eclipse interface. So first, this is the Eclipse interface. How you will write the code. This is the main thing. First, you have to go to the file, new. File new, then Java project. You have to specify the project name. Let's say I'm doing project 1, then by default or whatever it is, put it like this. Click finish. Module, we are not creating any module right now. Don't create. If you expand the project, you see there is a source folder src. Right click and create new package. Click package over here. Package name, basically in a practice it is reverts to the domain name. So let me put com.test. Click finish. Package is created. Once package is created, right click on the package, then new class. So class name, let's say test class. Do the public static void main method. Check over here and click finish. Your class is created. Basically you have to write your code in here. This is your Java development code, automation testing code, anything you can write it over here. So it looks like the font is little smaller, so we can like increase the font size. You have to go window, preference, you see general, then just make it little bigger, appearance, color and fonts, Java editor text font, and click edit. You see there is a, let me go by 14. Okay, then apply and close. The font size increase. It's a like you can configure a lot of things by dragging. Let's say just a print message. I can syso control space system out.println. I can write a message. You see Eclipse installation is completed. If you save this and run as Java application, it will print Eclipse installation completed, printing in console message. So this is all about Eclipse installation, but I can mention one thing. In order to run the Eclipse, you need JDK installed on your system. Without JDK, it will not work. So JDK means Java JDK. It's a Java development kit. In order to run Eclipse, you need to install Java development kit. Without that, your Eclipse will not run. So before installing, make sure you have Eclipse, you have Java installed on your system. So I believe this video will help you to install Eclipse on Windows. If this is helpful, please like my video, share with others, and also if you have any question, please write a comment. I'll get back to you. If you really like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.